Hey everyone, good morning. So this is Sai Kiran and you are at Let's Upgrade and we are gonna start today the journey of let's begin with JavaScript. So hey everyone, good morning. So I just need hell lot of good mornings in the chat right now. There are 1,000 guys I think. So yes, now we all are set to become JS rowdy. Yep, that's what is my language. I mean in my words, it is what we all are set to become rowdies in JavaScript. So yep. So hey on, good morning. So I am Sai Kiran. I am the chief upgrader at Let's Upgrade, and Let's Upgrade is a community of more than 60,000 people, and we all are set for upgrading ourselves in our life. Okay, so let me just reduce down the volume of the music. I hope the music is right now out. Okay, so you guys can listen me up very nicely, right? Hey everyone, good morning, good morning, good morning. I am here, Sai Kiran from Bombay, so Mumbai. So I just want to know that from where you are currently. Yes, I'm Mumbai is in India, so many of you guys may be out of India, also international students. So I am Sai Kiran from Mumbai. So I just want to know that from where you are. Just put up your name and your place from where you are trying to upgrade with us in JavaScript. Okay, so yes, good morning to all JS Rowdies. Yes, good morning. So, good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm from Mexico. Hi. I mean, it may be good evening there, right? So, Chennai, hello everyone, Mumbai, Gujarat, Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, Nanded, and Vizag. Hey, Vizag, hello. I know currently languages like English, Hindi, man meko aati hai, Gujarati man avde che, Tamil konjum konjum terium, Telugu nin Telugu odne, and what we say that mala marathi yete bhav, and what else, like which Kannada I'm like learning, Nagpur, Ratnagiri, Bihar. Okay, so I know these many languages. Malvi बहुत पहले आती थी. I now I've got forgot about Malvi language. So Satara, from Tenali. Okay, Gujarat. Okay, so Teja from Kakinada. So Agra, you. I am from Mumbai. So Sydney. Hey, someone is from like Sydney. Paramjeet Singh. Hi. We are from India here. Like I mean, Paramjeet, you are also from India, I think. So yes, and we are having Purushottam. So yes, I am going to be a friendly person over here in JavaScript, and let us now start with our today's agenda. I mean, can we go ahead, guys? Can we go ahead? Just give me a small high five. High five in terms of like emoji. Send me an emoji in the chat, and then we let us go ahead. So yeah. So let me just share my screen. Just 1 minute. So I hope that you can see my slides right now. Can you see my screen, guys? Can you see my screen? Can you just see my screen, every one of you? So yep. So yes, so I'm having a huge stream of people today. This 1.5, I mean like 1.5k people learning altogether JS with us. Don't worry, guys. I want to like onboard you all with me. Just stick to me for like 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you all are gonna meet your instructor for the whole course. I will be there. I will be there for like coming in between and going out of the program, but someone else is gonna take this program actually. Okay, so this is what JavaScript's program is all about for like Let's Upgrade, and this is a JavaScript Essentials program in which you will be like going until like a lot of things you will be learning. So just embarrass with just be with us. Okay, and you will be made sure that you all are pro in JavaScript with Let's Upgrade. Okay, so yep, let's go ahead. LU JavaScript Essentials, that's the program name of us. And first and foremost thing for every one of you to like mention, like remember, is just take your how to mark the day one attendance. All the old guys, I mean all the old students of Let's Upgrade, all the Let's Upgraders, and all the new Let's Upgraders. Just this is the first day we take attendance like this. First day attendance is all about you taking your selfie, learning with us, and posting it onto your stories, Twitter, LinkedIn, anywhere. This is the first day attendance is all about, although it is not mandatory, but it is the fees. Just you guys can think about that you are like going to give to us. Okay, just to think about that way and post a small selfie of you guys learning JavaScript with us, and we will be very proud, and we will be like saying that yes, we are having these many Let's Upgraders with us. Okay, so just go ahead, post, take a selfie and share it on as many platforms as you can and tag Let's Upgrade everywhere. Okay, this is Let's Upgrade, and let's upgrade, guys. Let's upgrade together. Okay, so now day one agenda. So today's day one agenda is going to be very simple and cool. Okay, so today's day one agenda is I'm going to give you the full program overview, how this program is structured and how this program is going to be, and who is going to be your instructor for the program, and how many projects you will build, how many assignments you need to submit, and how you are gonna get that certificate like this at the end of the program. How you can make sure that you are getting a certificate like this, how you are gonna get that. So yes, let me just go ahead and first of all give you a whole program overview. Let's Upgrade's JavaScript Essential program is going to be a 1 week program. Okay, it's going to be 7 days program, and one day it's going to be examination day. Okay, it is 7+1, it's going to be 8-day program. Okay, and we are gonna operate this batch on weekdays. Okay, it's going to be weekday 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. that's what our class timings will be. Okay, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. that's what our class timings will be, and it is going to be like 7 days all together in a stretch. Now many of you may be having a question that, hey sir, I am working professional and I have my day job to do. I am a college student, I have to attend my college classes. But trust me guys, if at all you are missing down our live lectures, you can go and catch up our recorded sessions which will be there on the same link in the YouTube. The first and foremost thing which every one of you should do is just go and hit that subscribe button. Okay, because that subscribe button is going to make sure that every day you are gonna join our classes, maybe in recorded, maybe in live. The first and foremost thing you are gonna do right now is go and hit that subscribe button. As soon as we are live, as soon as you see our videos recorded, you can go and complete them. Okay, yes, the time zone is going to be IST, Indian Standard Time. Okay, Indian Standard Time 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. for the live classes, but for the recorded classes you can join any point of time based on your favorability. Okay, so first of all, go and hit that subscribe button. Okay, that's what is going to make sure that you all are joining the classes along with us. Okay, hey everyone, go and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so now let's go ahead back and see. The first thing is, this is a 7 days program, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. daily, and it's going to be conducted from Monday. The upcoming Monday will be your the actual classes going to start from that day, from like lot of practicals, lot of assignments, lot of actual attendance parts and all will be going to taken care from Monday. But right now at this point, we all are going to stick with, today we are going to get introduced to our trainer. Today we will see overview of JavaScript. Today we will install how to install JavaScript, how to install any VS Studio code inside our laptops and machines. That's what we are going to do today. Okay, clear? I hope that everyone is clear. Every one of you is with me till here. Just give me a small high five, guys. Hi. So, okay. You teach JS course. I also want to teach JS course, but I want you guys learn from the experts. Okay, so I will be introducing you to Miss Pavitra ma'am, Pavitra ma'am. She is very fluent in JavaScript. She has been a corporate trainer, training batches of Cognizant, Hexaware, Sintel, and many other places. Okay, so she has been a prominent instructor. So I just wanted you guys learn from the actual person who is teaching in an industry environment. Okay, that's where you all are gonna learn JavaScript from Pavitra ma'am. I'll be there, but you are gonna learn from Pavitra ma'am a lot. Okay, so that's what it is, guys. Now let us go and see how to join daily classroom. Okay, 7 days program. It's going to be 12 to 14 hours of content which you guys will be learning with us. There will be more than 10 plus assignments which you need to submit. For submitting assignments, you will be using GitHub. Okay, I will be teaching you GitHub basics. In between. Okay, when you have to give assignment submission, I will be teaching you GitHub basics in the program itself, and you have to submit all your assignments using GitHub. Okay, and then one more thing, you have to build one big project in this. That's one milestone project will be there which you all guys need to do, and you need to submit it with us, and that's how it's gonna be. Okay, and going forward, it's also going to be you all have to give one final exam. That one final exam is going to be about 100 marks. Out of that 100 marks, 50 marks is the passing percentage. Okay, for you to get certificate, we actually like believe not in exams, we believe in projects. So you all need to submit your projects via GitHub. Then only every one of you is going to get certified with us. Okay, 60% weightage goes to project submission, 40% weightage goes to your examination. Okay, clear? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Just hit up a small high five or a yes. I hope that is it clear. Okay. Okay, now let's go ahead and full program overview done. How to join classes? Hit that subscribe button, then only you will get to know that okay, the class is live or the class is like in the recorded it is there. Okay, just hit that subscribe button, then only you will get notification. And overview of JavaScript. Okay, we will start with like okay, JavaScript program. So yes, this is what the whole these are the course notes. Okay, this is what you are gonna learn in JavaScript program. What is programming language? I mean, you will start from there. Server side versus client side coding. Okay, server side versus client side coding. About JavaScript, object properties and methods, assigning values to properties, about comments, hiding. Okay, just 1 minute, guys. It is like okay. And then afterwards, like hiding. Okay, I think I'm in page number 2. Okay. So hiding script from older browsers, automatically redirecting the user, alert, prompt and confirm, variable operator, comparison operators, conditional things, operators, and then going forward looping, arrays, associative and objective array, two-dimensional arrays, string manipulation, using functions, logical operators, using event handlers, working with images, simple image rollovers, object instant initialization and better rollovers, working with browser windows, posting browser windows, focus and blur, dynamic created content, working with multiple windows, using external script, JavaScript form methods and event handlers. Okay, JavaScript and math, object handler, a refresher, action from and memories. Okay, till you will be learning till information data date objects and JavaScript clock. Okay, so you will be learning these all things with us in this program. Is it clear? Are you excited about it? Are you excited about this whole program? I mean, like you will be learning till here. It's going to be like the learning going to happen up like most gamified version. Okay, it's gonna be there in a full gamified version. Okay, guys, so it's like you will be like hands-on. You will learn. There is no boring lectures. Okay, hands-on it will be. It's not going to be any boring lectures and all. So that's how it's gonna be there. Okay, clear? I hope I have made it clear. Overview of JavaScript program. Okay, now how can you actually install JavaScript? For running JavaScript you need something to install, right? Okay, so maybe like ma'am will be covering the whole thing in like her sessions, but I just want to make sure that every one of you is on common grounds. That's why the first thing we will go and do is okay, we will install Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Okay, just hit VS Code. Okay, we will be using VS Code inside our whole programming, this whole I mean like what we say our own journey with JavaScript. We will be installing VS Studio Code. Just go and select your own like operating system. I am using Mac, so I mean I will be like I have selected like Mac OS and I have installed Mac OS already. So you all need to go and download Mac OS, or like what is it, download Visual Studio Code for your own OS. Okay, is it clear? That's how it's gonna be, guys. Okay, and DOM is gonna be covered. Don't worry, the advanced JavaScript concepts and the DOM is gonna covered. Okay, it's like I have not shown up in here, but DOM is gonna cover. Don't worry about it. If at all you want to see the course notes also, we have the course notes here. Okay, so we are gonna cover till just 1 minute, I'll show you. Okay, JavaScript DOM, JavaScript validations. This is the most advanced level, I mean things which we are gonna cover in this whole program. Okay, so this is our slides. If at all you want these slides, guys, we are actually going to refer what we say link of the slides in your description, YouTube description. You will get that. At the same time, okay, now after installing Visual Studio Code, okay, once you install Visual Studio Code, download and install it, you will be having this kind of setup in your laptop. Okay, so just go create your own create your own project. I mean some folder, like Pavitra ma'am will be taking you on the hands-on of Visual Studio codes also, so she is gonna do that thing. Fine, clear? So yeah, that's how it's gonna be there, guys. And one more thing, let me just cover up the very quick introduction to GitHub. What is GitHub, guys? What is GitHub? GitHub is a place where every one of you can actually just go and put your all projects. Okay, it's okay. Now every one of you may be having your Instagram accounts, every one of you may be having Facebook accounts, right? Now every one of you should also be having GitHub account if you are telling yourself you are a developer. Okay, so now every one of you is gonna be there in learning what we say GitHub. Clear? I mean used to like we all should have GitHub here. So what is going to be like GitHub in this? So in this GitHub you can actually go and put your all projects. So here you can see my profile. My profile is like Sai-Sondarkar. Previously I used to be very hyper like what we say a kind of like hyper active here. Currently I'm not that active on GitHub, but I will be active as soon as I go and teach as many projects. So these are all my projects which I used to build and which I have built in like a few like time across. Okay, so now how you can create a new, just you create your own GitHub account. After your GitHub account, you can create your own repositories. You can create your own you can create your own new repositories like this. Okay, and from here like what is Pavitra ma'am will be taking it ahead, and you will be like understanding about like how to use GitHub also in more detail. So it's all about like you need to put all your details on like whatever you're doing. You just need to go and post it on GitHub, guys. So that's how it's going to be, and where you will get all the course notes. This is the final thing I'm covering. After this, Pavitra ma'am will be here. We have a classroom. Okay, we have the coolest classroom online. Okay, how to make sure that every one of you is I mean like your all doubts are getting cleared, your all suggestions are being heard, you're all like you're sharing your knowledge with your friends and the other classmates. So that's how you are gonna like you all are gonna have only one thing, that is community.letsupgrade.in. Go to community.letsupgrade.in, click on groups. Inside groups you will find this JavaScript. Okay, so inside this you will find this JavaScript. This JavaScript is your classroom. Okay, you can write down here anything, you can share your all notes will be shared here, everything will be shared here. Okay, community.letsupgrade.in slash groups slash JavaScript. This is a place where you can just go and hit like put up anything. So I just need to join this group. I joined this group and I joined this classroom. So I will say that hi guys, I hope every one of you is enjoying with us and going to learn JS with us. Okay, so that's what is my first post. Okay, you can go and hit it. Regards, Sai. Okay, so you can actually post down your all the questions, post discussions, articles, everything you can have here. So just go ahead and do it. Okay, and don't worry guys, if you don't have a laptop, okay, this is the final question. If you don't have a laptop, so how you guys can continue with us? You just need to go to ripple.it. Just go to ripple.it. Okay, ripple.it is a code and collaborate without like friction. So you can actually like code online using Ripple. So just do start coding, and in this you have your JavaScript, JS. Select JavaScript and create Ripple. If at all you are not if you don't want to do Ripple, you can also do here like play code. Okay, playcode.io. So here is one more platform which you can use for like making sure that you are having your JavaScript kind of like all things are running. One ripple.it and playcode.io. If at all you're not having laptops, then you can use it. So yep, it's like fully thing. And one more thing, every one of you, mandatory it is to join your classrooms guys, because lot of quizzes, lot of your question answers will be like here. So see the pinned post, you will get your like lecture, all the lectures link. You will have your like what we say you will have your all the doubts and everything cleared here. If at all you want, whatever it is, you just write down it. Okay, so even if you are in a recorded class, don't worry, you can post the attendance form will be live, so you can just go and give the attendance, guys, at your own timings. But it is like we will be allowing you to see the recorded class only till, like what we say, once it is aired, once the live has been taken, after that it will be only there for like uh, what we say, only there for 24 hour to like 36 hours max. Okay, I'm actually reading your comments. Okay, so yes, you can put up here how to join classroom. So you can join the classroom using community.letsupgrade.in/group/javascript. You can ask any doubt here, whatever, even a smallest doubt you are having. This is your classroom, you can ask as many doubts as you can. Just go and be active here. That's what is gonna make you like an active like what is student of our own community. That's what it is, guys. And yeah, and I have covered that also. So yes, now the final thing, who will get certificate and from where. You all need to pass down only on one criteria, that you all should have your assignments and projects on your GitHub account. First and important criteria is this. Second criteria is you should be having at least 50 percentage marks in your examination, final examination. That's those are the guys who are gonna get certificate. And one more thing, this is how the certificate will look like. Certificate, you are gonna get certified by ITM group of institutions. ITM group is like from 28 years past it is there, and it has more than 27 colleges and universities across India. So you can go and search about ITM group of institutions. They are our certification partners. And NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation of India, Government of India, is gonna give you one, like this is the like there as a co-certificate provider, Skill India. And at the same time, Let's Upgrade, you all are gonna get one like unique license number, which you can go and verify the same thing on letsupgrade.in/verify. Okay, so you can, it's your own unique thing. You can go to this website, that is letsupgrade.in/verify. Okay, and you can verify the same thing over using that particular website. Okay, so this is how it works. And going forward, let me, how to join classes I have shared. So now, so JavaScript for beginners, we will start with the introduction part. Now I would love, I mean, Pavitra ma'am to take over the class, and she'll be taking it over. Okay, so hey guys, just see me, I mean, bye bye, and I may come up in the end of the class for like other stuff. So yes, in the meantime, like let us go and have it instance. Okay, so I hope that our, this is a certification verifying thing, so you can validate your certificate using our portal. So that's how it works. And yes, chalo, bye bye. So yes, I will stop the stream. You may find like what was a 1 minute like lag in between, but be here, guys, don't worry. Our all the moderators are inside the chat itself. So yep, and like ma'am will take over from here. Bye bye.
Hello guys. Hi, hello. Can you all view me? Am I audible to you guys? Good morning all. Hi, hello Suvita, Vidya, Sangeet, Sahil. Hi, welcome. Good morning guys. Can you all give me one thumbs up? Am I audible? Is my screen is visible? Let me open the slide. So you'll be getting the basic instruction from Sai sir, right? How to connect with the community, how to do some interactions inside that community. So everything is fine, right? So I'm just checking your comments inside my mobile. Fine. Yes, now it is audible, guys. Can you all hear me? Okay. So I am your instructor for this your entire course of this JavaScript. So I'm going to cover you the JavaScript essential parts only in these 7 days. So whatever the PDF size I shared with I'm going to cover from this beginner to that advanced part. But few people have asked the questions before itself. Do you are you going to cover ECS 6 and ECS 7? So that will be coming under in your advanced thing. Okay, so in this as 7 days in the 7 days course, I'm going to cover only this JavaScript essentials course from your beginner level to that advanced level. Right? This will be a purely a practical sessions only. So wherever you are feeling any bore and wherever you are having a doubt, you just ask me to stop at that place itself. Fine. Okay. And I just before starting this course, I just want one confirmation from your side. How many of you from non-IT background? Can you give me the comments? How many of you from non-IT background? Yes, Dom will be included in this. Is my voice is clear, guys? Yes. Non-IT, non-IT. So a lot of you from non-IT, right? Fine. If you are from non-IT also, it's not a big deal to learn this JavaScript. Anyway, it will be some easy basic scripting languages only. Okay. Okay, so myself Pavitra, I am your instructor for this whole course. So today I am going to cover. Before that I'll give one small introduction about me. So I'm a corporate Java full stack trainer. Uh, I'm having some 10 years of experience, 11 years of experience as a corporate training field. I've started my career as a corporate trainer only. So I have handled a lot of clients like CTS, HCL, Exaver, Accenture, etc. I have a real time exposure what they are doing it inside the industries. So based on that, I'm going to give you the trainings. So after the 7 days of training, you'll we have to do some assignments, and at the end of this training, you have to do one mini projects, right? And before that, we'll have to make one deal. So in between, I'll pick a random number of the names, and I'll be asking you the questions, some basic questions, what you have understand from my courses. Is it okay? Yeah, I'll be explaining you the GitHub also. So, what is the need of that GitHub is, so if once you have finished your assignment, you have to post your assignment inside your GitHub so that we can go and check the codes easily. Fine. This is one common cloud platform. There you have to just open one repository and you have to upload your hands-on and activities. Fine. So today I am going to cover only the basic part. What is a JavaScript? Why we have to learn the JavaScript? And what are all the features of JavaScript? And hope have you all installed that Visual Studio Code, right? So you can also use brackets, Notepad++, and even online tools also there. So I'm going to show you the demo with help of this Visual Studio Code. Fine. So once we covered this beginner to the advanced level till the DOM and validation part, then I'll be giving you some of the concepts of ES6 and ES7 part. That is sixth version and seventh version of JavaScript. Fine. Okay, guys. Any editor is right. Screen is not clear now. It is fine. Imanshu, I'll let you know where you have to submit your assignments. I'll be giving you some introductions of GitHub repositories. Yes, I'll be explaining you the GitHub. Yeah, Atom also you can use. It's not a problem. Sublime, brackets, Notepad++, Atom, Visual Studio Code. But in lot of industries, people they'll ask us to use only the Visual Studio Code because we have a one option called Live Server in Visual Studio Codes. So whatever the codes we are running in the left hand side, automatically we can see our output in that right hand side. And even if you are studying like Java full stack, with the help of this Visual Studio Code, we can easily connect our Angular with the Spring Boot framework into the Spring Cloud part. So, better option if you are going with the Java full stack, you just practice with the Visual Studio Code. That is my suggestion. Fine. And how many of you thinking that Java and what are you thinking about Java and JavaScript? Any answer? Any answer is open. So before starting this class, I just want to know what you people are thinking about Java and JavaScript. Java is related with JavaScript. Okay. Yeah, Dreamweaver also we can use it. Both are different. Okay. Java is programming and JavaScript is your scripting languages. Fine. Mm-mm. Both are totally different, yes. But few people are thinking that Java plus JavaScript. So Java will be coming under your JavaScript concept. So it is not like that. So Java, it is your fully object-oriented programming language, right? So what is that object-oriented programming language? Can you give me any definition for that object-oriented programming language? Why they are calling it as a OOPS concept? Okay. With the help of Java also we can use to create application. Not only with JavaScript, with the help of Java also we can use to create one web applications. Java is server side and script is client side. Okay. Fine. Let me give you one simple example of OOPS concept, right? So object oriented, everyone we are whatever we are going to interact with the Java, everything will be coming under your object base. Okay. So in the case of object oriented programming language, so few terminologies we are going to use it with the Java. The first one is class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. So what is a class? So in every languages people are discussing about class, object, class name. We have to create the object with the help of new keyword. What is a class? Anybody can give me the real time example of class? Yes, people are telling, Vinay, you are telling we can use a class. So what is the use of that class? Everything depends on object. Yes. Prithvi, you are telling, okay, everything depends on object. So what is that object? What is that class? Any real-time example? Are we mapping that class and objects into our real-time life? This user-friendly instance. What is that instance? School, vehicle. Okay, I'll be giving you one example. Consider a class. So class is nothing but it contains a related properties of an object. Okay. Consider a college. Okay. So college consists of lot of classrooms, auditoriums, like will we have some meeting rooms and staff rooms. So this all the parts. So it contains a related properties of an object. So college will be considered as a class, and these classrooms, machine rooms, auditorium will be con- considered will be as an object. So class means it contains the related properties of an object. So object is an instance of that class. Now you got it. So now come to this Java part, JavaScript part. So JavaScript is also your scripting based object oriented programming language. So everything we are going to communicate with help of that objects only. But while going to the Java part, it is a purely object oriented programming language. But in the case of JavaScript, it is a only interpreted scripting program languages. Right? So this is what we have to compare. Why Java is different, why JavaScript is different. Java is entirely a programming language where we are going to use a purely object-oriented concepts there. But in the case of the JavaScript, here we are going to use only the scripting languages. Clear, guys? Still not clear? This is a what. So with help of this, say for an example, I'm going to create a class with employee. So employee will be having a lot of instances, right? So he might have some employee id, department name, salary descriptions. So these all the parts, it contains the related properties of an object. Class contains the related properties of an object, and this object is an instance of that class. Yes. Fine. We have to create object to run program. Yes, exactly. So interpreted is nothing but Munib. uh, So consider a normal Java program. So whatever the codes we are writing, so how we are getting that information, how we are communicating with the computer, because computer will understand only ones and zeros, right? So whatever the request we are giving to the computer, computer will process a request and produces as a responses. So we are writing a code in Java, right? So we are giving the request to a computer. You have to process this code and you have to give me as a responses. So while what computer is doing, so with the help of the Java platform, so there is one concept called JVM, that is your Java Virtual Machine. That pure Java is a very big concept. That is very interesting concept that I'll be discussing in that class in very detailed one. Okay, you just understand what is interrupted and compiler is. Compiler, it is used to check each and every line. If you are writing some 100 lines of code, the main uh, task of this compiler is it is used to check your code each and every line. But in the case of interpreter, it is used to check your code from top to bottom. If once your compilation is over, if you are not getting any issues, so the main use of your source code will be compiled into the bytecode, and that bytecode will be interpreted into your machine code. So with the help of that machine code, user can get the responses from our computer, right? Scripting is nothing but we are going to use some HTML tags, CSS tags, and all. So before learning this JavaScript, you have to be know the basic knowledge of. You should know HTML and CSS. If you are not knowing this HTML and CSS also, no problem. You can just go through. We have a lot of websites are there. One best website is W3 School. If you are a beginner, I can prefer you to learn HTML, CSS in that website. Fine. Okay. Still not clear, guys? Okay, okay. I'll speak slowly. Screen size, it is in maximum size only. Yes, they just we can complete HTML and CSS. Basic HTML and CSS is enough, right? Okay. What we are going to learn with this JavaScript. So before going to proceed with that, first we are going to learn what is JavaScript and when we have to use it. Right. So as I already told that JavaScript is an object oriented scripting language which is a very lightweight and it is a cross platforms. So it is not a compiled programming language but it is a translated languages. So JavaScript translator, it by default in lot of our web browsers, by default it is embedded in our browser only, and it is responsible for translating our JavaScript code for the web browser. Clear? Again, I'm explaining. So JavaScript it is an object-based scripting languages which is very lightweight and it is a cross-platform and it is not a compiled language but it is a translated language. Okay. So JavaScript translator is responsible for translating a JavaScript code for the web browser. Clear? Then why we have to learn the JavaScript? What is the main thing is available inside the JavaScript? So JavaScript, it is a lightweight object-oriented programming language which is used by several websites for scripting the web pages. So it is an interpreted, full-fledged programming language that enables dynamic interactivity on website when applied to an HTML document. Okay. So since it was introduced in the year 1995 for adding the programs to the web pages in the Netscape Navigator browser, there is a one browser called Netscape Navigator browser. Right? So since then it has been adopted by all other graphical web browsers. So with the JavaScript, user can build modern web applications to interact directly without reloading the page every time. So the traditional website uses a JavaScript to provide several forms of interactivity and simplicity. So all the JavaScript has no connectivity with Java programming language. So the name was suggested and provided in the times when Java was gaining a popularity in the market. So this is what they have introduced a name called JavaScript. So in addition to the web browser, databases such as MongoDB, CouchDB uses a JavaScript as a scripting and query language. CouchDB and MongoDB, right? And we'll be having some of the features of JavaScript. So our first feature is all popular web browsers support a JavaScript as they provide a built-in execution environments. So JavaScript follows the syntax and the structure of our normal C program language. Thus, it is a structured programming language. And third one is it is a weakly typed language where certain types are implicitly cast. And the fourth feature is it is an object-oriented programming language. that it will be using the prototypes rather than using the classes for inheritance. And it is a lightweight and interpreted language. So it is a case sensitive language, and it is supportable in several operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, etc. And it provides a good control to the user over the web browsers. So these are all the features is available in the JavaScript. So by default, in lot of browsers, by default it will be available. If you want to open, just give a F12 keyword. So by default, JavaScript will be enabled here, or else you can go to the setting. There's advanced setting. Under this advanced, JavaScript. So have you noticed here JavaScript is allowed? If you have not clicked it, you have to give here hello. By default it will be blocked state only. Here you have to give it hello. Clear, guys? Still now clear? So as of now we have discussed the features of this JavaScript, right? Screen is not clear. Now it is fine. Screen is clear, yes. So if you are not knowing your HTML and CSS, you just go through the W3 school. You can just go through it once. So it will be some basic session only. What is the use of that tag, HTML, body tag, and what is the use of paragraph, how we have to bold some values. So that's what, right? So before that, we'll discuss what is the history of JavaScript. So in 1993, Mosaic, the first popular web browser, this is a popular web browser, came into an existence in 1993. But in the year 1994, Netscape was founded by this is also one of the popular browser. So Netscape was founded by Mark Anderson. So he realized that the web needed to become a more dynamic. So thus a glue language was believed to be provided to HTML to make a web designing easy for designer as well as part-time programmers. So consequently, 1995, the company recruited Eric, intending to implement and embedded a programming language to that browser. So then later on, the company merged with Sun Microsystem for adding the Java into its navigator. So it cloud compete with Microsoft over our web technologies and platforms. So we'll have a lot of history background. This you just understand what is the use of this Netscape browser, who introduced this. Then later on, it is merged with your Sun Microsystem. And some of the applications of your JavaScript is, first, your application is client-side validation. It is mainly used for client-side validations. And second is dynamic drop-down menus. And we can also displaying our date and time and displaying some clock, some pop-up windows, alert dialog box, confirm box, and prompt boxes and all. Right? So now open your Visual Studio Code. Here I'll be showing some basic demos. So here I have one index.html pages, right? This is our basic your HTML code. So HTML code consists of your head part and title part. This is your body part. Okay. So inside this body part, we are going to write some scripting languages. Am I going very fast? So jQuery will not be covered in this. JavaScript was developed by Rick in 1995. So Mosaic is nothing but that is the first popular web browser came into existence in 1993. But after in the year 1994, Netscape was founded by Anderson. But JavaScript was developed by Eric in the year 1995. So these two are the most popular browser. What I realized, that web needed to become a more dynamic. So that's what they have introduced some languages which was believed to be provided to HTML to make a web designing. It will be easy for designers as well as some programmers. So later on, that company has been merged with your Sun Microsystem for adding Java into its navigator. Clear? Okay, fine. I'll be little slower. So one thing you have to do is, once it's your Visual Studio Code, you just open one folder. Okay, I'm going to create one folder in my desktop, in my document, as a new folder called Javascript demos. Right? This is my folder. Right? This is my folder. Okay. So here I'm going to create a lot of files. I'm going to show you the first demo dot html. So whatever the code you are writing now, you have to save it with the help of this HTML extension. Right? There is a no need of setup. You once you have given this Visual Studio download, Visual Studio code download, just click it. So based on your OS, you just download it. Either it will be a 64 or 32 bit. You'll be getting one exe file. You just installed it inside your computer. Right? You just open and you'll be getting some introduction how to install this Visual Studio Code. Okay, because it is already been there. So once everything is done, you just go to file, click open folder and create one new folder here. I've already created my folder called JavaScript demos and this is my first file. So whatever the files you are saving now, it should be in .html part. Okay, fine. So now clear, can we go with this practical part? Increase font size. Is it visible now? Is it visible now? So I'm going to show you the first demo HTML. So this is the first tag of your HTML. So inside that HTML only we are going to include our JavaScript code. Okay. So after this HTML there is a two part consist of one is head and another one is body. So inside this head, if you want to give some title, this is my first JS demo. And inside this body, what I'm going to do is I'm going to include this is a script tag. So inside the script tag only you have to include your JavaScript code. Okay. So here there is a one in Java and C and C++ and all, there is a statement called println statement, right? So like the same thing here, there is a statement called document dot write. It is similar to your println statement. So I am going to write welcome to JavaScript. Clear? So what you have to do is just save it. So if you want to run, just give start debugging in a Chrome. I'm going to run my code in this Chrome. If you are not getting here, you just go to your documents. Okay, we'll do one thing. So another way is just go to your folder JavaScript demos. Here you have created your first demo, right? Just double click it once. So have you noticed welcome to JavaScript? So this is my first demo. Welcome to JavaScript, right? And there is an option in Visual Studio called, go to this extension. There is one option called live server. You just install this live server here, so that whatever the codes you are running, automatically simultaneously you can check your output. So have you noticed here, this is your live server once. Expansion live server. Then enable it. It is activating your extension. I think I have a problem in this. So once you have enabled, no, you will be getting your option called go live here. So whatever the codes you are typing, no, automatically it will be listing out here. Suppose this is my first welcome to JavaScript. Here I am giving, here I am giving welcome to JavaScript. So just refresh this part. Have you noticed here it is changed? Welcome to JavaScript. I don't know why this live server is not working. Let me check it once. Live server. Install it once. Yes, there is an option called go live, right? You just click this go live. If you are clicking this go live, your default port number is 5500. Okay, this is your first. Suppose in case I am writing, just save it. Suppose if you are writing, no, document dot write. You just click this go live. Have you noticed here? So whatever the codes you are entering, no, once you are saving, automatically it will be updating here. This is the option. This is the one main use of this go live option. Clear, guys? How to install it? So go to this extension. There is one option called extension. Click this extension part. You just type live server here and just double click it. There is an option called install it. So once you have installed it, you'll be getting an option called go live here. You have to click this go live. Clear? Okay. So this is what you have to write your uh, code inside your JavaScript. Inside your HTML, you have to write your JavaScript code. Okay. So the main use of this document dot write is it is similar to your println statement. So whatever the things you are giving, it is used to print inside your console. And hope have you all got your what is the use of this live server and all, right? So next thing is we can also include our script tag inside our body part, or else inside our head part. Can also include. Have you noticed we'll be getting the same output? So the second important part is JavaScript code has to be included inside your script tag only. We can also include a script tag inside your head section as well as your body section. Here it is similar to your printf statement only. Not required. We have to put our script. We can also put a script tag in head section as well as our body section also. Okay. Yes, Prasum. It will take hardly 1 minute. So to run your code is here you have already created your folder, right? JavaScript demo, and go to your particular folder. You just double click it once, so it will be opened inside your browser. Clear? Fine. I will move on to this part. Sorry. So you can also use this Visual Studio or else some bracket software is also there. You can also use this bracket software and Notepad++ and Sublime Text. So a lot of editors are there. So but in the case of Visual Studio Code, there is one option called Live Server. Okay. This red color point denotes your breakpoint. Fine. We can code in Eclipse. Yes, Eclipse. If we are building an entire web application, yes, we are going to get a communication between our front end part and a back end part. We can go with the Eclipse. But if you are learning purely this HTML part or JavaScript Node.js, you better go with this Visual Studio Code. Okay. Okay. Now instead of this document.write, we can also give console.log. Console.log. It is used to log your files inside your let welcome to Let's Upgrade. So sometimes it will stuck in this part. If you are facing this issue, you can just dispose it and again start it once, or else you can just go to here, click it, and you will be getting this output. We can also give console.log. Okay, it is similar to your document.write statement only. Clear? And the next part is we'll move on to this JavaScript part. So inside this JavaScript, we can also give our type. It is a simple JavaScript example. It is easy to code only. So it provides three places to put your JavaScript code within a body tag, within a head tag, and in our JavaScript file also. So how to include the script in our external file? So here again you have to create one separate file called here I'm going to create a test.js. If you are going to create a JavaScript file, you have to give the extension as .js. So inside this JS, just I am going to give alert hello JavaScript. So alert, just we are going to get one alert. So now come to this HTML part. So what you have to do is here you just give src is equal to, so here you have to include your JS file. Okay, and just close your script. So this is my title, and inside my body part I'm going to call my external JavaScript file. So inside my external JavaScript, you don't want to include your script tag inside your external Java class, external JavaScript file. Just you have to give whatever the code you want to run, you have to give it here. Okay, I'll close it once, I'll open it again. Just give first demo. Just give me minutes. I have a problem in this JavaScript demos. I'll open this part, select let me open this part, go live. JavaScript, click this demo index. I think I have disabled this JavaScript part while showing this why it is not running. Just give me a few minutes. It is allowed only. So my title here, just I have given this title alone. So inside this body part, suppose if I am giving like console.log of hello world. Okay, just I'm going to print hello world. So have we noticed here it is so okay. So here you just give document dot write of welcome. Just print because we have to include it inside our script tab, right? So that's what it is printing. Whatever we are giving, it is printing like this. Save it. So have you noticed it is printing as a welcome. So we can also use console.log. Sorry guys, I have a lot of issues in this. Let's upgrade. And we can also include our, there is an external file called alert. The use of this alert method is it is used to prompt your screen. So what we have to do is I'm just commenting this part. Commenting I'll be explaining it to you later man. So here we can also include our external JavaScript file inside your code also. src is equal to test.js. Okay, so you will be getting one alert box here. So inside this what I have given, hello world, welcome to JavaScript. Okay, here just test.js, just save it once. Have you noticed here, this is your alert box. So we can also JavaScript provides three places to put your JavaScript code within a body tag, within a head tag, and your external JavaScript files. So the script tag specifies that we are using a JavaScript. Okay, we are using the JavaScript, and we can also use a type. There is a one type called, here we have to use script type is equal to JavaScript. Okay, and here we have to include document dot write off. Welcome to let's upgrade. Okay, just refresh this. You just refresh this. Okay, here we can also include this type part. So the script tag specifies that we are using a JavaScript. So this, sorry, here text slash. This text slash JavaScript is a content type that provides the information to the browser about that particular data. And this document dot write function, it is used to display a dynamic content through a JavaScript. Okay, we'll be learning this, what is the use of this document dot write, document dot inner HTML, and all this, all the concepts we'll be discussing under the DOM objects. Okay, so as of now we learned that how to use with the live server, and what is the use of it section and the body section, and three places we can put our JavaScript code. One is between the body tag of HTML, second is a head tag of HTML, third is your external JavaScript file. Clear? Guys, still now clear? I'm not able to see your charts. Clear guys, as of now any issues? I'm not able to see your charts. Sorry, next we'll move on to this another demo. So I'll be showing the JavaScript example code between the body tag. So how to use it inside your body tag. Here I'm going to include my alert of hello.js. Okay, just I'm going to remove this part script, just save it and just run it once. So you'll be getting a hello.js, right? So we can also include this hello.js inside your body section, as well as we can also include our script tag inside your head part. You just save it, and if you are putting the script tag inside your head part also, it is used to display that values, right? And we can also use it in our uh, external JavaScript file also. Okay, now I'm going to show you the demo of displaying some alert dialog box of JavaScript that it contains inside your head tag. So here I'm going to create a function called message. So before that, we'll discuss what is the use of this function. Can anybody give you the answer for what is function? Yes, it is necessary to use the semicolon. See, if you are starting with this Visual Studio Code, no, you'll be getting the lot of issues. So first thing, you have to check whether your live server is working or not. If you are interested to work with this live server, if you don't want to work with this live server, so what you have to do is each and every time you have to go and double click it is, or else each and every time you have to refresh your pages. This is the first major issues we have to face it. And the second thing is, while writing your code, you have to be very careful whether you are properly ending your tag files and all. If you are opening your tag file, you have to end it with the help of the slash, and if you are missing any one of this slash file also, you will be getting that issues. So while writing the tag elements, you have to be very careful. Okay, that is the second type of issues. And the third thing is, and what to say, yeah, we have to give the semicolons and all, and just keep it in your mind whether you're going to use a document.write or console.log. So till the DOM object will have a best practice to do go with console.log. If once after we are logging with that, then we can go with this document.write. If you are familiar with that, what this document.write is going on, you can, best practice you can do it with document.write itself. Okay. Still now I haven't written any business logic here. Just I'm explaining you what is the use of alert, what is the use of console.log. Fine? Fine, Nitesh. Hope you got my answer. Okay, we'll move with a function part. So what is a function? What do you understand by functions? Block of code. Okay. Yeah, this is the basic syntax of your JavaScript. Still I haven't started, still I haven't gone inside of that JavaScript. Okay. So console.log it will be working only. It is similar to your document.write. So before that, uh, before going with that function part, first I'll be explaining you this Google Chrome developer tools. So for that, what we have to do is give control function F12, press the key of F12. So you'll be getting one console part means in my browser my JavaScript is enabled. So inside my console part, I'm going to explain you the things. So JavaScript has a seven data types. Seven types are there. You can think that seven types as a values. We have a seven types of values inside a JavaScript. First one is a number part, and second one is a string values, and third is your boolean, and fourth is your undefined, and six is your null part. This undefined and null we'll be discussing it later. And next one is symbol, and seventh type is your object. So in this console part, we can also easily add our numbers. We can get it. We can easily get the values. We can also do some subtraction and some division part. Okay, and the modular part is just used to give the remainder part. So we can do some number values here. Okay. And the second thing is we can also store our name. So string value we can able to store it with the help of this double quotes or a single quotes. Uh, okay, it is used to display that value. We can also save that name into. We can also save it with the help of the single quotes. Okay. Next thing. Uh, we can also give the name of this variable as variable of, say for and suppose if I am giving as variable name is equal to Ritika, and you just leave this undefined part now, then later on we'll be discussing that. Age is equal to 5, okay, and department is equal to variable department is equal to employee. Okay, suppose if you want to get the department values, just give department, it is used to print that values. If you want to get some age, just give that age. Suppose in case if you are storing the age as 30, so whatever the values you are storing at last, that values it is going to display that values. So it is able to overwrite your values name here. So there will be some rules and regulations you have to follow while creating your variables name. So what you have to do is give variable of variable name should always start with that letters. You should not start with like 1 2 3 department name. So you'll be getting one issues. So you can also start with like department one. So you should not give the variable name as. So we can give the variable name with the help of that letters only. We can also use number. We should not use our symbols also while creating our variables name. So it should be very clear thing. So this is what we can also write it inside our console. Okay. So we can also give console.log of name. So it is used to display your name values, right? Console.e, because there we have already declared name and age values here. Okay. This is what we have to use our Google Chrome developer tools. See, just I am showing you how this arithmetic operations, this assignment operators and all will be working inside your Google Chrome developer tools. So I'll be explaining you in detail variables and data types while showing the demo in your Visual Studio Code. So this is what the basic things. Till now we haven't written any code. We can also do some assignment operators and all. Suppose 12 plus, if I am combining uh, integer with this string values, it is used to combine like this only. Suppose if you are adding, if you are giving your numbers also within your double quotes, it will consider it as a string only. Okay. And if you are concatenating like if you are adding this two strings value, so it will display your output as just it is used to combine these two values. And two, suppose what to say, minus, you're performing this, it is used to display as NaN. NaN is nothing but it is not a number. That is the abbreviation of this NaN. This is a simple variable. So how it is performing inside your console. This is not an array and all. Array and all will be displaying, explaining in detail. Okay, this is a basic thing one. Okay. So this is what the very basics how to use this Visual Studio Code, how this background developer tools is performing inside your console. You can use any kind of browsers, either it will be a Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Safari. So whatever the browser you can use it. This is a basic console part we are going to perform it here. So this is the basic things. So like detailed session we'll be discussing it from Monday onwards. And still now clear guys, you know how to install your Visual Studio Code, right? How to go with your live server and what is the use of the script tag. We can also include a script tag inside your head section and body section, and we can also include the script tag inside your external JavaScript file. Still now clear? So we'll be discussing in detail from the Monday class onwards. Yes, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, fine.
So hey, hello. So yeah. Uh, so hey guys, how are you all? And so okay. So it is fine. I mean, whatever your comments are, just I'm like literally reading them one by one. So even if your experience was not, I mean, like so kind of thing. I mean, ma'am was putting in a lot of efforts. One thing I would like to say, guys, I mean, like you talk, like you guys just put up so much inflow of messages that anyone would go mad. Literally, you know that anyone would go mad by literally seeing your inflow of these messages. Sometimes now when I teach, I literally ignore your messages. Okay, so yep, I think we will gear up for that. So yep, that's why. Don't worry. So can you teach us JS? So please you teach. Okay, let us see that how we can go ahead with that. Okay, let us see that how we would go ahead with that. In the meantime, just give us like a kind of like gentle, maybe like maybe me and ma'am going together hand in hand and like teaching you guys something like that. Let us see that how we can go ahead. So yep, no worries, guys. I just want every one of you to just come back again. Like if at all you are like listening us, not listening us, somewhere or other, I just want every one of you to just get back. And whatever you guys think about it, let us just go and do that. Okay. So you guys think that hey, Sai sir, like let us just get and start teaching us. Maybe as possible. Let me just think about like taking this whole. Okay, so don't worry about it. Hey guys, just come back. We want you, sir. Okay, fine. It is fine. Like anyone, na, you are if like 2000 guys standing in front and handling 2000 guys is like not easy. We have to be enough rowdy here sitting while teaching. Okay, so yes, so 100% not an issue. Whatever like we is best for you, we will do that. So don't worry about it. So we will do this JavaScript program that is finalized. That is 110% true. We are gonna do this, but how we are gonna do this, that's what we will finalize right now. Okay, so yep, just give us a small high five. Every one of you is like back again. So what you learned today, what you learned today, what do you have, what do you guys learned today? What do you guys learn today? Just can you speed of explanation is high. Okay, speed of explanation is high. No, you teach. Okay, no to okay, fine, it is fine. Like guys, we will be back to see. People are like okay, just okay, just give me hi, hi, every one of you. So React JS and Angular JS will cover. Okay, fine. And sir, you taught Python too well, 10 on 10. Okay, so okay, fine. So just give me a small rating, guys. Like out of 1 on 10, just give me a small rating, na, to understand that what all things we give us the suggestions, na. So until unless you don't give us suggestions, how we will go ahead? So just give us suggestions. We will improve upon our all your suggestions and we will take it ahead. Okay. So just give your suggestions and based out of it, like we will be like taking it and doing it. We have to do this program. So either we do it like like what we say the amazing seventh cloud way or the fifth cloud way or the 1st cloud way. It's you guys who will decide. Okay. So just go and put up your reviews and based out of this we will. Take it ahead. Okay, so we have like we learn. Okay, 1 out of 10. I mean like out of 1 to 10, just give us a small rating so that we it will be able to like for us to understand it. Okay, so you teach please. Okay, so how many of you are like literally like no, let's upgrade about like for this what we say for the way how we teach and all. Okay, so you know one thing that we live and we breathe for our students. Okay, so whatever you guys decides and whatever you guys suggest us, we will do that. I mean just put up your all suggestions. I'm actually recording your chat. uh, 3 ways in title body and the use pf vs code, debug and go live. Okay, so what happening, what hoping next section will be good. Yes, amazing, it will be amazing, guys. Don't worry about it, we will take care about it. Okay, so don't worry about that whole. So we will make sure that this is going good. Okay, clear. Ma'am is very good. Yeah, I know that ma'am. Actually, I have learned from ma'am. I know like how well ma'am teaches. Maybe it is like what we say in the YouTube. That's why I think you guys were not able to connect. So it is possible. So we will be like making sure that we will have the same kind of sessions how we do it. Okay, so uh, so please teach slowly, it's going too fast and let student also do it on the PC. So wait, okay, so yeah, we will take up these all suggestions and we will 100% go ahead and do this thing. So it's like Monday classes are gonna be like amazing, guys. Just make sure that Monday 2 p.m. is the class timing. 2 p.m. Monday onwards is the class timing. Just come there, and from Monday we will take it ahead. Okay, clear? From Monday we will take it ahead, and we will make sure that me and ma'am are both in one same class, and we are taking it ahead. Okay, clear? So me and ma'am together will teach. Okay, so me and ma'am will be like together live, and we will be teaching every one of you, and we will make sure that your experience is amazing with us. Okay, so that's how it's going to be. I'm right now itself I'm announcing. I have decided it in my mind, and my like I have decided it. So me and ma'am together will teach you guys from Monday, and I will be there, and I will be representing every one of you student, and ma'am will be representing ma'am. So we let us have another fun way of like learning. Okay, so let us solve this problem statement. The problem state, it's a hackathon, guys. The hackathon is making you all guys understand things. So it's a hackathon problem statement for Sai Kiran Sundarkar and for the whole team of Let's Upgrade, and for us, we will make sure we rock in this hackathon. Okay, so just trust us and be there live 2 p.m. Monday. We will make sure that we are rocking this. Okay, fine guys, clear? So yeah, that's how it goes, and we will make sure that every one of you is like geared up with us. Okay, we will start with that. Okay, fine guys, I hope that you all are like in the meantime, can we do something? Can we just do a small can we just play a small game? Can we just play a small game so that I understand that how many of you know about JavaScript? So can you just go and play? Just go to kahoot.it. Okay, just go to this website. Okay, kahoot.it. Okay, just let us go to kahoot.it. Okay, so let me just take it ahead like this. Kahoot.it. As soon as you go kahoot.it, okay, just go to kahoot.it. Take this game pen. This is the game pen. The game pen is 088777762 and enter it. Okay, 088777762. Enter this thing, and okay, so just let us have a quiz for our day one. Okay, is it clear? So actually what was happening, I will tell you. Okay, you know only the story on the screen. The behind the screen story is ma'am's place is not having power. Okay, so she is like there also, like she's very, I mean like she has to make sure the live stream is happening very well. Okay, so I will tell you the behind the scene what is the problem statement. The problem statement is ma'am's house is like not having power there, and she has to make sure that she has to do this live stream. Okay, and she was very much nervous in terms of the battery. From yesterday like evening, they don't have power there. She was managing very well. I'm very proud of our trainers. Just that, okay, you were not able to understand. We will make sure that you guys are understanding that whole concepts. We may have to repeat what we have done. It is fine with us. We will do that to make sure that every one of you is becoming a damn rowdy in JS. Okay, mark my words, and we are going to do it. Clear? So yes, just go there and put up your nickname or whatever the name it is, and JS day one. So it will start my quiz. The people who are actually like the people who are okay, so it is a quiz actually. So in this quiz you need to play the quiz, and you need to like okay, just one minute, let me close this. I don't want to play this right now. Okay, so just you go and play this on your own. And one more thing, she is amazing, guys. I mean, like she is amazing in terms of the knowledge which she carry. So it's just that, I mean, like a lot of things are like going odd today. So it's like that's the only thing I think. And but we will make sure that everything is fine with us, and we will make sure the experience of you is like amazing from Monday 2 to 4. So let us meet Monday 2 to 4, and the people who are like not able to meet Monday 2 to 4, they can catch up us in the recorded sessions. Just go and do it, guys, and I hope that you all will love this session. Okay, so just let us go and take it ahead. Clear? And yes, everyone, the top 10 winners for today's quiz will be getting Let's Upgrade coins. Using Let's Upgrade coins, you can actually take part in different paid programmings. Okay, so you can buy Let's Upgrade programs, premium programs using Let's Upgrade coins. So if at all you have to like win Let's Upgrade coins, just go and win it with the help of winning in the quiz. Okay, so yes, fine guys, thanks a lot. And one more thing, we have a Telegram channel. You can find the Telegram channel link in the description there. so you can join us in the Telegram, and it's like great to have you, every one of you. So I hope that, I mean, okay, today's session may like you might have had some roller coaster ride. It is fine. It is totally fine. I'm all okay with it. Okay, you are our guys, you are our students. We will make sure every one of you is learning what you are supposed to learn. Okay, so just go and learn things. Okay, maybe like today a lot of like roller coaster happened up. Not worry, nothing to worry. Monday onwards, everything is gonna be like awesome. Okay, we will make sure that everything is gonna be awesome, and I will be there in the live lecture with the ma'am. Okay, so that's how it's gonna be, and they are, I mean, they are our beloved Let's Upgrade trainers. So just please guys be there, and okay, so thanks a lot, and I hope that like you all will be like on with us completing this journey of GS along with us. So that's what it will be. Demo session of GitHub, we will be doing it. Don't worry, I'll be like doing it for you all guys. Poll for timing. So okay, you want poll for timing? So okay, fine. Let me just do something for that. Okay. See you both on Monday. Hey guys, see every one of you on Monday. Fine. Monday 2 p.m. onwards is the live class session. And if at all you want the timing changes and all, maybe I think you can put up in the chat itself right now. Like just go and put up like the like your favorable time when you want Monday. But I mean, according to our availability, according to your request, we will do something. We will do fine tuning, and we will. Just have it 2 to 4 done. So okay, 2 to 4 is fine. Today's session is also recorded. It is there available on our YouTube, so you can just go and find it. Today's attendance is going to be in terms of social media, so you need to like go and put the things on social media. That's how it is. Okay, and one more thing, 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 11 to 1, 11 if it all okay. After 4, is it okay for you guys? 4 to 6, think about it. 4 to 6, 6 to 8, okay, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 1, sorry, 12 to 2, 2 to 4. So it's totally up to you, just think about it. And 8 to 10 in the morning or like the night. Okay, so you can put up AM or PM so that it will be good for us to like understand. 11 to 1 actually will not be able to do that, because we are also gonna start 11 to 1 very soon, a Python program. So Python is like booked at 11 to 1, so that's why after 1 only we can start it, 1 or 2 we can start it. So just think about like 2 to 4 or something like that, and let us go ahead and do it. Okay, so 4 to 6 is also one nice timing, if at all you are okay. 6 to 8 is also the timing is there, and you can think about it and let us know whatever you are thinking. Okay, so put up your time favorability and we will do justice by you. Okay, so that's it guys, thanks a lot. And so one okay, so yes, it is totally fine. Poll on Insta for timings. Okay, hey everyone, just go and follow us on Instagram, so we can do that. It is totally fine. Chalo, bye guys, meet you guys on Monday. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day, and we will make sure that you guys are loving the experience along with us on Monday. When is Python starting? Python is starting on like 15th of this month, July. So 15th we are starting Python. Okay, so use Discord. Both of you can speak at same time. So you okay? Let me just try Discord. Okay, this is one of the why different quiz score on same answers. It's totally based upon your timings. Okay, so morning is fine. Okay, bye bye guys. Bye bye bye. Take care. We will meet you guys on Monday. Clear? So let me just share my this screen. So Monday we will gonna rock again, and we will make sure that you all are loving the experience with us. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. We are gonna do awesome. Okay, so bye guys. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Don't go out. Don't go, I mean, like out of your homes. Okay, so make sure that you all are like fine. And Java free program is starting on what we say, starting in like 25th of July. Just a small teaser I'm giving you all. Java, not JavaScript. JavaScript is like going on, but Java is also going to be started on 25th of this month, July, and we're gonna do it. Clear? So that's how it's gonna be there, guys. No, nothing to worry about it. So yes. Okay, bye bye guys, take care, have a nice day. We will meet you all on Monday. Okay, bye bye.